Pinakamayaman pala ako, Joycey. As I look back, no, it needs to happen. In life, anything that's pure, anything that's beautiful, anything that's really something that can be blessed also, it needs to go intensive amount of challenges and problems until this very time. And when I look back right now, pinakamayaman pala ako, Joycey. Dahil sa panahon na yun, bakit? Ang naman ako, pananampalataya sa lola ko. Ang lola ko, I remember during that time, kung nakapaa-paa siya, walang tsinelas, maglalakad yun araw-araw para magsimba. And then during that time also, dun sa barong-barong namin, merong Methodist na church. No? May libreng merienda. So dahil sa merienda, no, gusto kong mag-aral ng Bible kasi may mga Bible stories, no? So para mabusog ako ng Sabado-Linggo, nagpupunta ako doon at nakikinig ako sa mga Bible stories. And because of that, God was with me all along the journey in my life.